Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I'll quickly walk you through WordPress automation that we can do using three ways. One, make.com, one of the no-code, low-code platform. Second, Zapier, or third, direct API-based integrations. So I'll quickly walk you through each of these three things. So first of all, here we are on make.com on WordPress, and here we have almost all the modules covered. So let's say, for example, post, in case if you wanted to trigger some scenario based upon a post created or updated, this can be done. We can work with categories, we can work with comments, any sort of media items, users, and so on. So almost all the WordPress basic things are available over here. Plus there is something called make an API call. Secondly, on the Zapier side also we can work on WordPress. So it has almost all the triggers covered and all the respective action modules. So if we have to create post or update or something, right, we can also here integrate with the API calls. Now when we visit WordPress API documentation, it is well structured API docs. So it has almost all the different actions and these actions covered over here. So if you have to work with media or maybe any sort of locations or even post patterns, categories, right, so almost all the things are covered, and we can automate most of like everything inside WordPress. Now these APIs can also be called using any sort of JavaScript or the Python script. So in case if you don't want to go with the no code low code platform like Make or Zapier, we can directly work with the code based things, and we can host that code on Amazon Lambda or on any of the EC2 servers. So let me know if this excites, and quickly I'll walk you through a couple of automation scenario I built around the WordPress. So over here, let's say this one where adding the WordPress post or WordPress categories using this entire Airtable scenario. So starting from a particular hook and sending out data throughout the Airtable and the ChatGPT, and finally creating a couple of categories over here. So these categories are created using the GPT based content. Now, similarly here, the scenario is starting from Google Sheets and creating a media as well as a post on WordPress. So here you see the data or some initial context is coming from Google Sheets, and GPT is generating image as well as the entire content. And finally, the post is created on WordPress. Here another example where this entire user is created based upon any Stripe payment received by the business. So first you're searching user. If user found good, we can update user. If not, then we can create a user and also update or add them into ConvertKit. So yeah, these kind of many automations are around, be it Stripe or be it Google Drive, Google Sheets, any sort of webhooks or any sort of custom modules. And I can assist you to build any WordPress automation as per your requirement. So we can connect on a meeting and we can quickly discuss about your requirement to automate WordPress. And yeah, I'm quite capable to do almost any scenario. So thank you very much. Let me know if this excites you. Good day. Bye.